Alright, so I got this brand new out of the box, this Windsor and Browne Cambridge series. This thing was made by Heritage, but oddly enough, it's not a total piece of shit. I've worked with Heritage before, they suck. This one's pretty nice though. Didn't come with the switch cap, so I put the Breezeway light on it and put the Littleton light on the Breezeway, which honestly I think looks pretty nice. I'm gonna take down the Littleton or get a switch cap. It's just there's no reason for the fan to be there, but I'll probably just get a switch cap. Show you the box, but it didn't come with a switch cap, which was weird. But here's the box right here. I got it because it kind of looks like a childhood porch fan of mine we had in one of our old houses. Not the dirt house, but the house before that. It's the original. And honestly, it's nice to have a light out here on this side. Kind of light. It's a pretty little fan. I'm going to weatherize it soon so it doesn't sag. And if it does, I'll just get plastic 42-inch blades and it'll look good as new. Because it's not like it's going to rust out here. It's screened in. No rain's going to get to it. Plugs in. Turn on low. Low's pretty slow. That's fine. I either like a slow low or a fast low. No in between. It's about an average low, actually. So it's whatever. Just the startup to it's kind of slow. But it has a 4 UF capacitor, which is pretty good for a 131 motor, which I think this is. Turned on medium now. Got a nice smooth pull chain. Got this for $10 at Habitat as well, same day as I got my Emperor. Does wobble a little. Top shot. This is just a 7-foot ceiling, so it hangs really low, but doesn't quite hit me in the head. My rule is, as long as it doesn't hit the head, it ain't too low. Makes a little noise. But, you know, it's a Heritage, so what do you expect? I wonder what that is, though. I got it to quit ticking. Maybe it's the shades. Whatever. You can't hear it from the chair. Now, hi. I might need to tighten those. As you can hear, it does actually put out an okay amount of air on high. Not totally worthless. It's good for a small spot. Here's the reverse. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you all have a blessed day. This was made in '93, by the way. And yeah, thanks for watching.